Hi, I'm Simon Bryden from the Fortinet Consulting SE team. IoT is going to see huge growth over the coming years, and at the center of it all will be the mobile operators. Mobile connectivity is key to the Internet of Things, and the addition of millions of connected devices to operator networks will bring a whole range of new opportunities, but at the same time, some real challenges. To meet the specific needs of IoT, new technologies are being standardized, which enable low bandwidth, low power, and low cost connections for constrained devices. In addition, the security concerns raised by these new paradigms are recognized in the industry, with GSMA and ETSI publishing best practices guidelines for providers who are considering offering IoT services. We can divide IoT attacks into two broad categories: attacks on the IoT infrastructure and attacks on the devices themselves. Let's start with the infrastructure. The IoT service platform is a key component of any IoT service, providing a common set of services such as device management and data handling. As a software component, it is susceptible to DOS attacks, software vulnerabilities, and protocol vulnerabilities, just like any other application. As such, it should be protected by network security solutions to ensure that attacks on the platform are identified and mitigated before they have a chance to do any damage. And as well as the IoT infrastructure, operators need to be very careful to ensure that the introduction of IoT services does not expose them to new attacks on their core telco infrastructure. Let's take an example. For a developer of a constrained IoT device, often the easiest recourse when a device loses connectivity is to cause the device to restart. This is an easy way to return the device quickly to a known state and allows recovery from any software issues which could be the cause of the connection loss. However, for a network provider, imagine what happens if an IoT server goes down and all connected devices start rebooting in parallel, causing a continuous storm of reconnections. Network devices can detect such signaling storms and indeed any anomalous network traffic and rate limit or even quarantine devices in order to protect the network infrastructure. But what about the devices themselves? Well, their inherent value might be low, but their large numbers make them attractive for certain types of attack, such as click fraud and distributed denial of service. The Mirai botnet in 2016 was a classic example of an IoT DDoS attack, the largest ever seen at the time. Another example is cyber-physical IoT use cases. For example, in medical or automotive applications, which may be attractive for ransom-style attacks, where attackers threaten to take control of such devices. The IoT market is still in its very early stages, and as a result, it's not attracting too much attention from cybercriminal organizations right now. But this is going to change, and we must not be led into a false sense of security. There is a window of opportunity which is closing fast. Now is the time to act, to prepare a comprehensive security solution to protect your IoT assets, your IoT service infrastructure, and your core network. Fortinet has the broadest range of security products on the market today and combines mature and proven technologies with leading-edge features targeting IoT and telco use cases. The Fortinet Security Fabric integrates those elements into a cohesive solution which can cover the security needs of even the most challenging IoT environments. For more information, visit Fortinet.com.